Okay guys, this video is a part of my health video that I'm filming. Been filming for the last year, but I want to stop this segment of the video, because I tore my rotator cuff maybe a year ago. Tried rehab. It was a partial tear. I'll show you guys the x-ray of my actual tear in my arm. Okay guys, I found the video. I had two MRIs. I had one that's in color. I think this is the one that shows it. Partial tear in there somewhere. And been looking online. There's a bunch of videos that helps show you guys, the importance of posture and what exercise to use. But for a person with a torn rotator cuff and just pain every night, have to sleep with a pillow cocked up under my arm because of the pain, was excruciating pain. I suffered many nights. Just have to put a pillow under my arm just to even get sleep comfortable. But I want to stop this part of the video, or this segment of the video, and share with you guys what machines work for me. And I'll show you two guys that kind of shed light. Even although there's a bunch of videos I've watched, but these two guys showed me the importance of posture and when I'm working on the machines. And one of the guys showed me the actual exercise that I'll be showing you guys. Now, I would have left a comment on this channel, but people tend to look over those comments. They can, or don't believe them. I'm proof that after I've been working on these exercises now for about a month, and my rotator cuff has improved significantly. The pain is almost gone. So that's why I stopped this segment of the video to share with you guys these exercises. So, stay in touch. I'm filming an incredible health video. I don't get sick. I wanted to share light on that. I haven't had a cold in 15 plus years. I don't get sick, and I wanted to share light on what is it, or why I don't get sick, or the things I do in life. I'm not the greatest eater, but I'm an advocate for health. I've always been my entire life. So I want to share with you guys that video, so stay tuned. It's positive, it's inspirational. I'm about positivity. I don't believe in nothing else but positive. I don't run with negative energy, never in life. And all the people that know me say I got the strongest will from anybody you can ever want to be around. My willpower is incredible. So share that with you guys. Stay tuned with the channel. I just want to stop at this segment of the video. Maybe let my hair go out, my beard, because I have an agenda. So if you guys know anything that's helped you guys with your rotator cuff energies, tell me. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what I can do. I'm almost pain free, and I just had to share that with you guys. I'm almost no pain, just only working with these exercises for about a month. No pain, and the pain was terrible. Pain was terrible. Many sleepless nights or restless nights. Constantly going back and forth to the doctor, and they just tell me to, slowly use that band and work my arm. But these exercises help me, so it's important that I share with you guys. So, two sets of 20. Sets of 10 or 15 is good with this. Minimum weight. Move back down. Rotate. Start off with small reps, 10, 15, small weight. A lot of reps, small weight. You feel better results. This has helped my rotator cuff in ways I can't even imagine. Like all the other machines I've been doing was actually hurting me. This is actually helping my rotator cuff. I barely feel any pain, and I used to I have to use my arm to raise my arm up, the other arm to raise my arm up. Now I'm just a tiny bit of pain left. And I had a nasty rotator cuff tear. And I do these. I didn't pick my weight up from tolerance. Let's start off with small weight. gonna show you guys in the description box. I'm gonna show you guys that showed me these videos. He got an incredible channel, and he shed light on this for me as far as with my rotator cuff injury, and that helped, and what would help me eliminate the pain. So I'm gonna share that with you guys soon. So those are 2 exercises that has relieved the pain in my rotator cuff, and it was bad for months and months and months. I struggled, and I've been in the gym for months rehabbing my arm, and now I'm just starting to get results from those 2 exercises that guy showed me. They've helped my rotator cuff significantly. So share that with you guys. Show you guys other things, recommendations, tips. Subscribe to the channel.